Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can now adjust clips on TikTok. This is the updated version, so let's get started with the video. Press the plus button and you can record a video, but I'm just going to upload mine and I'm going to be selecting this one. Select adjust clips, and this is where you can adjust it. You can split it, adjust the clip like so, edit like the duration. You can again split it and delete the ends. You can add like the sound sync system. You can add sounds here. You can add a text, overlay, and etc. And when you're done, you are just going to press save. And that's it. That's how you can adjust clips on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!